You can also do a lot of things to reorder arrays, changing the order of the elements in an array. Now, I said earlier that the order of the elements doesn't change, or the index of the elements doesn't change, but it can be changed by you. It just doesn't change randomly or spontaneously. So if I've got that numbers array, I can pull up any of the numbers using the index, and that's the starting index of all those numbers. But if I sort them, if I use numbers.sort, it will immediately put those numbers in order. Now, what happens if I was to take the fruits array, and let's say I have a couple more elements in there. Let's add watermelon and grape. So now I've got apple, watermelon, grape, banana, and orange. If I want to, I can sort those too. Fruits.sort. Sort takes no arguments. It just sorts them for me. And if I sort those, note they are now sorted in alphabetical order. So if I have numbers, numbers get sorted in numeric order from lowest to highest, and fruits, as we just saw, get sorted in alphabetical order. In addition to sorting the numbers and giving them a new index, I can also reverse the order of them. So I can sort them and then reverse them. That gives me reverse sorted order. But I can also just reverse the list, period. I can take that whole list at the top and I can flip it around so that now what was index 8 is now index 0 and so forth. So you can reverse or sort or do some combination of the two and to get different kinds of results. So that's a really quick way to reorder arrays.